Now the next one here is, I think we are making a, what are we making here? Oh, that's a bird. It looks like a penguin, but that is a bird. Okay, it is a penguin only. Now the next one here is, we are drawing a coconut tree and these small circles are your coconuts. So that's it. And now moving on, what are we going to make here is, you can color all of them together and first you just make them. Now what I'm drawing next here is, okay, we are drawing Pooh the panda. that's not Pooh the panda. That's something else, and it looks quite horrible. Not horrible, actually quite scary, because there's a face on top of a face, and that's I didn't get it. Now moving forward, what are we getting here is drawing a concentric circle, a circle, and we are drawing a tortoise here. So you all are very familiar with it, so yeah, you can draw them. Okay. Now the next one here is, okay, so who doesn't know what to draw with this? That's a bear. Okay, so that's it for guys today, and thank you.